Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys, and I swear it's not on purpose, but this one is themed as well. Last week was farmhouse because that's mainly what I found at the store. This week it's mainly summer items and summer decor, which is so cute and I can't wait to show you. So let's get right into it. So the first item that I was really excited about, and I know I am never gonna put it up because I have issues.
Yep.
These summer theme wall decor pieces, they are so cute, and if you know me, of course, you know that I love pineapples and all things tropical. I love that the back is galvanized, well at least it's trying to mimic a galvanized pattern, and it's so cute. This one says good times tan lines, and this one says tropical state of mind. So like I said in last week's video, if you have a really nice patio and you wanted to put these up everywhere, this would look so cute around a pool area, like a little cabana. So the next wall art piece is actually the largest wall art that I've seen at Dollar Tree. It is this one that says welcome to paradise, and this reminds me a lot of the pineapple that Nugget ended up chewing. I will remember you. As you can see, the background is very similar to that pineapple. It's got beautiful palm fronds everywhere, as well as parrots, and the parrots have glitter on them. Really cute. It reminds me of Margaritaville if you've been there before, or basically any resort in the Keys. This is so cute and so tropical. Another super cute pattern that I found were these cute disposable cups. It's got a really delicate pink background with palm fronds, parrots, and flamingos. So this is super duper cute and reminds me of Miami, and I miss home all the time, so this is as close as I can get. I really wish they had plates. Last year they had plates with similar patterns to this, and if you've been following me for a while, you know that I took that plate and I made over one of the savings banks, which those banks are back now, and I saw them in stores, but I really didn't want to pick them up since I've already done a DIY with that. But either way, I made a really cute tropical savings bank. Check it out if you want to. I'll leave the link below and at the end of this video. I finally found these plates at Dollar Tree. They're a really nice size, and of course I love the print. So this is really good for barbecues. They're really thick, so you definitely will be getting a lot of use out of this before they kind of just go kaput. I also found the bowls. The bowls on the inside are just white and they have the pattern around the edges. This is perfect for dip or any sort of like small appetizer that you want to put in them. I just think they're really cute, and take a shot whenever I say really cute and you'll be drunk at the end of this video. Another item that I was super duper excited about for all of the wrong reasons were these barbecue tongs. Now these are really cool because they have a spatula on one end and the tong on the other, so they're perfect for flipping burgers. However, your girl cannot flip pancakes or any type of omelet for the life of her, so I'm going to be using this in my everyday kitchen. It's so embarrassing, but every time I try, I just end up with egg everywhere or a really horrible pancake, so this is what I'm going to be using this for.
Do me a favor, get out!
I bought this pool toy for my daughter. I am really excited to get her into a pool with this. I really don't know if she's going to like it or not. She's at that phase where things that she's supposed to be afraid of, she's not, and then things she's supposed to be afraid of, she is. It's so weird, so I really hope she likes this. If anything, we'll have some hilarious pictures if she doesn't. I also purchased this for my daughter. She will grab any object at home and make pretend it's a phone and have a full-on 15-minute conversation that no one can understand but herself, and she'll hang it up and everything. And I've actually purchased a few of these phones for her and she loves them. She's not the kind of kid to put anything in her mouth, so I'm not worried about that at all, but it's so cute to watch her walk around and have these little phone conversations. She clicks the phone and everything. It's so cute. I was actually able to find Walt Disney's The Three Little Pigs. We love reading our daughter bedtime stories, and Dollar Tree is the best place to buy these little books because they're only $1 and they have all sorts of variety, from the Sesame Street ones to these. I know they had a few of the Walt Disney books, but I wasn't able to find them, so I really hope that I can. Another book I purchased was this one, Cartoon Network's The Regular Show. Obviously, I'm not going to read this to my daughter, but I just thought it was really cool and really cute. Okay, this I purchased just because I was intrigued. It's called Wacko Surprise Greeting, and you're supposed to, you can write to and from at the bottom, and then you're just supposed to smack it and a balloon inflates. So I'm gonna try this with you guys right now. So it does bring little string. I don't know what this is for, but you're just supposed to... All right, I'm gonna do it on my hand. I guess you're supposed to do it on a... Yeah. I thought this would be a lot more exciting. This is like a little underwhelming. Come on. Come on. Ah! Okay. Okay, I take that back about that not being exciting. That nearly gave me a heart attack. So, oh my God. So this is still inflating. I guess I see why it brings a string now, because you're supposed, oh my God. You're supposed to put the string in this little, you're supposed to put the string right here. It's still inflating. Definitely don't give someone with heart issues this gift. Definitely. Okay, so today we've learned that this shouldn't be given to anyone with heart conditions, ever, unless you're trying to kill them. Oh my God. So moving on. I found these kiss nails at Dollar Tree. Now they are oval shaped and they're a really pretty color. The only problem is that they only bring 12 nails. If your nails are wide or two of your nails happen to be the same size, you're kind of screwed. So I would recommend buying 2 packs. Either way, super cute. I kind of wish that they would have brought a little bit more nails because even their regular brand brings, I think, 14 nails just to make sure. But either way, super cute. Again, with the sock addiction, I purchased more socks for my daughter, and this time, no pattern. These are just plain socks in different colors. So these are pink, gray, and white, black, gray, and red, and gray, white, and kind of like a fuchsia color. Sometimes you really don't want a pattern because you can see the socks with what you're wearing, so these are perfect. And I actually found them in a size 1 to 7 in kids, so these fit her a little better than the ones I purchased a few weeks ago. I was finally able to find the Mermaid nail clippers. I don't know if they're good or not because I've seen tons of super duper cute nail clippers, and then when you go to use them, you're better off cutting your nails with a rusty spoon. But they feel heavy, and usually heavy feeling nail clippers tend to work. They're so cute. I love that they're rose gold. So if you're putting a little pedicure kit together for someone, these are a great addition. I remember I hauled the Imitation and a few other things, so to add this to the collection would be really, really cute. Speaking of which, I bought an Imitation Ped Egg. I used to use the real one back in the day, and it works pretty well. So again, if you're putting together a little pedicure set for someone, this is perfect. If you've been following me for a while, you know I have super duper curly hair, and washing it, especially when you have acrylic nails when they start lifting, is kind of a mess. So this was at Dollar Tree. They sell these on like curly haired sites for a good penny, and these are supposed to be like something that you use to wash your hair with, even if you don't have curly hair. This is really cool. So you just kind of put your finger through here and you just massage it through your hair. I think this is a really good deal. Again, not just for curly hair, even somebody who can't really put their arm up too much for whatever reason, this is really cool. This is actually a rebuy. Every time I see them in stores, I have to purchase them, and I give them out as gifts a lot because they're so handy. This is the portable bag hanger, and this has been an as seen on TV item before, so the fact that they're at Dollar Tree is really, really cool. And basically, you never have to put your purse on the floor again. If you are Hispanic or Caribbean, then you know that your mama told you don't put your purse on the floor because all your money will go away. So this is the perfect way to avoid that. I use these at restaurants or bars. I don't go to bars anymore. But super perfect, great gift, and it's actually got a nice amount of weight to it. Since I hauled a bunch of barbecue stuff, Nothing would be complete without these little potato sticks. I love to make pan con bistec steak sandwiches, and I love putting these inside. Usually I buy the one that come in the tin because those stay fresh longer. I'm probably just going to put these in a Pringles tin because I don't eat these like regular chips. I always just use them in sandwiches. And then I just purchased another one of these lighters. I love them. I use them all the time to light candles. I am so scared of fire. I can't light fire with a match for the life of me. I'm always scared that I'm gonna burn my finger or my nail. So I love these. I wish they were a little longer. The brand that they have that actually has the longer stick doesn't last at all, but this one definitely does. So that's it for me. I really hope that you enjoy this haul. Let me know in the comments below what item you'll be on the lookout for. Hopefully not that Wacko thing because that was terrifying. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me, and until next time.